In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do seated toe flexion. So firstly, before we get into the exercise, why would we need to do this and what's the point? Well, the benefits of doing seated toe flexion are to address muscular imbalances of the foot, to improve the intrinsic foot muscles, as well as to support the arch and overall foot health. So if you're rehabilitating from potentially a foot injury, or alternatively just want to improve your intrinsic foot muscle strength and toe strength, then this video is a great starting point. So all we need is socks off. I'm seated here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my foot completely in contact with the floor. So from here, I'm going to try to claw my toes into the floor and then completely relax them. And then claw my toes into the floor. So if you imagine what my hand's doing, this is what my toes are going to do. They're going to claw into the floor. So let me show you what that looks like. So I've got my foot in contact with the floor. I claw my toes in, relax. Claw my toes in, relax. My heel stays on the floor at all times. And each time I do that, it's a repetition. So you'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and then that is how to do seated toe flexion. If you wanted to do a progression of this, search my exercise seated toe flexion but with a towel, and that will improve the resistance and it will be a harder exercise and a progression of this.